So my bag's all packed up. Had a really good sleep last night, except for it was a crazy windstorm all through the night. Still a little bit windy right now. I guess that's southern Alberta for you. Blowing really hard though, kept me up a little bit at the time. All ready to go for the day, up and over. I think I'm going to Dutch Creek Camp today. If I can get there early enough and I'm feeling good enough, I'm gonna try and do Tornado Pass and Tornado Saddle. That'll kind of keep me on track for my mileage. If not, I'm gonna end up being a bit behind by the end of the day. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I'm ready to get rolling here, so we'll hit the trail. Is a big old blue grouse down on that log there. Earlier I saw 6 spruce grouse and was kind of surprised to see them up this high, and thought that I would only see blueies up this high. So we're gonna sneak over there. Probably the largest blue grouse I've ever seen. There he is. He's right on the end of that log. Pretty cool. You only see those guys up at elevation. So, I came across this old growth spruce that the trail crew cut out of the way, and it had fallen over long ago. Really big tree. That for me, from pinky to thumb, is 9 inches, so it's a pretty good sized tree. Probably at least 2 feet across. And the growth rings are very tight. I don't even want to start counting, but this is an old tree. There are definitely a lot of rings there. A couple 100 years probably, at least. There's some really tight growth rings in this area here. Some slow growth. Neat to see these old spruce trees. The last of this old growth forest. Once I came down off that ridge, got into the valley, I've done some ups and downs, but nothing major at all. It's been pretty casual of a day. A lot just like what's in front of me here. Walking around with these white daisies, I believe they are, on these open old logging roads and sometimes ATV roads. Just making my way now. I'm about 2 kilometers away from where the new High Rock Trail meets up with the old GDT coming down off North Fork Pass. I'm all set up here at Dutch Creek Camp. The camp's not too bad. It's in a pretty berry area, but that's alright. There's a creek not far away, so it's all good. Pretty close to Tornado Pass and Saddle, so it's just going to be a big climb up and down tomorrow morning. And hopefully make it to Cache Creek tomorrow. And then that'll keep me on track for my mileage. And then I'll just be a little bit behind. It's pretty calm in the trees here, but really windy out there, so I'm guessing that's why they call it Tornado Pass. Anyway, it was a really good day of hiking, pretty chill, pretty easy, definitely compared to what I've been doing. Few mosquitoes here, but pretty lucky. All in all today, yeah, it was really nice. There were a lot of flowers along the way, and I saw a little bit of wildlife too, so that was good. Have my X-Mid set up here, really loving that, and gonna probably call it a night in an hour. Catch you tomorrow.